Hi friends, welcome back to my YT home. I hope everyone is fine and must. Today I am making wheatgrass juice. Wheatgrass juice is a super drink which provides you with over 100 nutrients including all vitamins A, C, E, K and a complete range of B complex vitamins. These are the ingredients we need to use to make this healthy juice. Wash the wheatgrass in ample amount of water. Leave for 10 minutes and then rinse thoroughly in a large pot of water. Drain in a colander. Wheatgrass juice should be consumed for 1 to 2 months to show the best results. It cleanses the digestive system, purifies blood, detoxifies liver and boosts energy levels. Chop the wheatgrass with a sharp knife and add into the blender. Squeeze 1/3 lemon juice and add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pour 1 cup of water. Blend them into a smooth paste. Finally, strain the freshly pounded juice using a strainer. According to some studies, this super drink may kill 65% of cancer cells within 3 days by boosting oxygen levels in the blood. Pour the juice into the glass, garnish with a slice of lemon and enjoy. Thanks for watching and hit to the subscribe button and help me to increase my YouTube family. Thank you. God bless. Bye bye.